This video tutorial is for the chair assembly assignment. So when you open up your file, this is what you're going to see. Now, just to clarify this little message that's attached to the chair example. Example to go by. Note, this is entirely a component. Don't copy it and say you assembled it. I will know. So basically, the gist of that, I'll get that out of the way just for now, is there might be the natural inclination to say, oh, there's a chair. Why don't we just go click, hold control down, and let's grab it. Copy it, and call it done. Well, here's the problem. I'm going to click on this, and the whole thing's a component, okay? So that's not what it would look like if you created it. What we're doing is we're going to use all these components, and we're going to use all these components to create our chair. So the difference is each one of these is a component. So when you assemble this, and I click on it, each component turn blue, as opposed to the one over there where the entire chair would turn blue. Okay, so here's what I would do. I would start assembling my chair. First, you're going to have to get everything in order. And to do that, I would start by orientating everything correctly. Let's go to rotate. And that's 90 degrees. And oops. I want to make sure it's on there flat. Click. 90 degrees. Okay. So I personally would kind of put this stuff together first. That's just me though. You can do whatever way you want to do it, you can do it. So we have the long ones on the side there. So let's go over here. And let's just kind of move this stuff out, okay? So let's move this one out over here. Make sure it's blue. Click on your component. Blue, let's just drag it on out, just like so. Obviously, we're not engaging the control button because that would copy, and we really don't need to copy this. Okay, and 90 degrees. Keep in mind, if let's say I had too much coffee, you can't get that to freehand to 90, just type it in. Once you get it going, click. Okay. Click. Okay, let's get our rotator on there. Put that right on top like so. And there's our 90. Okay, let's get our move option back. Okay, let's assemble this. Okay. Oops, guess what? I put that in the wrong spot. Okay, let's just put that right in there like so. Look, I'm all zigzaggy. That's definitely not what I want to do. I'm going to put this like so. And that like so. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now what you want to do is, let's see. Let's just check out our, I'm going to put the legs in right now. That's what I'm going to do. And unfortunately, they're not really orientated in a really helpful way. Okay, so let's turn them all. Okay, click. So I'm going to type in 90. Actually, these are 2 by 2, and rotating is not required. So I just wasted some time. Let's just stick these in like so. Click and grab this one. Stick that in there. Okay. 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 So no demonstration would be complete without at least one thing acting up a little bit. Just change the perspective. Okay, so we got this lower half taken care of right here. That looks good. Okay, so let's check out this top. Or are we even going to put the top on yet? And I'm going to go with a big fat no or not. Okay. I'm going to say let's put the back together. Okay. Let's click it on there. Okay. Let's see. Let's grab that corner. Okay. Let's grab our top. Just like so. Look at our example over here. Okay. What do we have? So that's flush. Okay. So we're going to start grabbing our stuff. And let's stick that in right flush with the top. But there's no top on there. So it looks like we might have to put the top on. So let's just cruise on over here. And let's get out our measuring tape. And that sticks out 1 inch. Nice and nominal size. Okay, perfect. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. just to make layout and assembly a little easier on me. Click. I'm going to put a little line there. And that's going to be a 1-inch line sticking straight out. Okay. Let's grab that corner. Let's see if this works. Let's go endpoint. Ooh, perfect. Wonderful. Looks good. Got our measuring tape. Okay, and we got our 1-inch. Okay, that worked out well for us. Okay, so let's start assembling this back and we'll be done. Okay, click. Let's intersect with this little corner here. Click. Okay. Now, there's a spacing of, let's see, what's our spacing here? I'm going to say 3 inches. Yes, that's it. And let's see if it's 3 inches here. It is. Okay, perfect. Since we're using the components, here's what we'll do. Just going to run this up. I'm going to type in 3 inches. Obviously, if this was like a real life, I'd be grabbing my pencil. And I'd be scribing a little mark on there. But since this is the virtual world, okay. Click and click. And one more, and we will be done. Okay. And there you go. We've got our chair completely assembled. And that's it.